As a video creator, you might not always have control over the sounds picked up when recording your videos, which is why it's important to know how to remove background sounds or noise from your videos. So, if you have a video with a background sound that you need to reduce or completely remove, in this video I'll show you how to do that using two different softwares. Hi there, I'm Winston from TubeMechanicsNotes.com, and in this video I'm quickly going to show you how to remove unwanted background noise from your video files. I'm going to show you how to remove background sounds, no matter if the background sound is caused by the sound of wind, rain, or nearby traffic. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you are interested in growing and monetizing your YouTube channel here on YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And let's get started. So, you probably must have recorded your video in a noisy environment like a cafe, a bar, or nearby traffic. Whatever the case, removing the extra noise in your videos will not only help improve the video quality, it will also help your viewers better hear and understand what you're sharing in the video. Here is an example of a short video clip with a background noise of a lawnmower. Just listen to it. Here are some free sound effects and 5 places to download sound effects for free. Now, here is how the video clip sounds after the background noise has been removed. Listen to it. Here are some free sound effects and 5 places to download sound effects for free. Now, to remove the background noise from your videos like this, you will need a tool like Vid. Vid is a tool I use time and again because of the many simple to use features like the one-click background noise removal feature. Now, to remove the background noise in your videos using this tool, you want to start by importing your video clip into the Vid software. After importing your video, all you have to do next is click on this clean audio feature here and the Vid tool will start removing the background noise. It usually takes just a couple of minutes depending on how long your video is. Now, after the Vid tool finishes removing the background noise, click on the export button to render your new video without any background noise. Next is downloading the video and using it however you want. Now, the only problem with the Vid tool is that you need a pro account to be able to upload videos longer than a minute. If you don't have the money to get the Vid Pro account, another alternative is using a sound editing software like Audacity. Audacity is a public domain software, which means it's free for everyone. But to use the software as opposed to the Vid video editor, you first have to download and install the software in your device. Downloading and installing the software is as easy as following the on-screen installation steps. After successfully installing the software, go to your desktop and you'll see this Audacity icon, which is just a shortcut to open the software. Double click on it to open it. Now, since Audacity is a sound editing software, you cannot just upload video file and expect it to work, which is why you first need to separate the audio from the video footage itself. You can use a free online converter to upload your videos and convert it easily to an MP3 file. I will drop the link to this converter below this video if you're interested. Now, after converting your video to an audio file, you can now drag and drop it into the Audacity sound editor. Now, what you want to do first is isolate the background sound you want to remove so that it will be easy for the software to know what exactly to extract from the entire video. To do that, you want to select the portion of the audio that contains only the background sound you want to remove and highlight it by clicking and dragging it to wherever you want. After selecting the area that contains the background sound you want to remove, click on the effect option here at the top and select the noise removal option from these different options. When you do that, this pop-up will appear. You want to first set the noise reduction DP here to 12 and click on Get Noise Profile. Now that I have isolated the background noise that I want to remove, next is selecting the entire audio file and again click on the effect option and then on the noise removal option. This time, when the pop-up appears, you want to just click on OK. The software will now remove the background noise. Now it's important to take note that sometimes, depending on how loud the background noise is, you might have to use the noise remover feature a couple of times before the background noise will be completely removed. After removing the background noise, you can now click on the file option and export the MP3 file and save it on your device. Now you need a video editor to put back together the audio file and the video footage. And you can use any basic video editor to do that. So now I know you know how to remove background sounds in your videos, and with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.